Good afternoon to all of you. Today I want to say you something. I am not a rich man. Second thing, I do not use advanced equipment for creating videos because I don't have. But I assure you my videos are full of content. It is very useful to the students. You will get everything. I know in this modern age I do not use advanced equipment, but whatever it is mine, and I am telling you, you will get content-based video. Okay, today I am going to teach you the black aeroplane. Okay, in this story, you will get the description of a pilot. He is traveling by air from France to England, and in the way he met huge black mountains of cloud, and he is under that trap. After then, there was no one to help him, but there was a ghost aeroplane who helped him. What was that? It was a mystery for the narrator for this pilot. Was it alien? Was it UFO, unidentified flying object? What was it? And at the end of the story, you will get nobody knows who was that. What was that aeroplane? Nobody knows. Okay. So let us start the lesson. Okay. The moon was coming